Today we're going to be setting up this HD72. The setup for the HD72 is the same as the HD60 and the HD84. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down here to these pins, pull the keeper, and inside with every one is it's a category 1 pin and a category 2 bushing. You may need this, you may not, it depends on your hookup on your tractor. I will actually need it, so I'm going to set it right there, set these aside. Do the same thing to the other side. Remember not to lose your bushing there. And the HD60, HD72, and HD84 are all quick hitch compatible, and they all come standard with chains. So once you pull those pins, you're ready to back up and hook up your tractor to the mower. Once you got it backed up and aligned, take your pin, push it through, put your keeper on there, do the same thing to the other side. And then you're going to want to hook up your top link. Also add your bushing. Put your keeper back in there, tighten it up, then once you've done that, you're ready to pick it up. Okay, now once you got it picked up, you have your tail wheel here. On the back, you see these holes where it'll line up with that center hole right here. Now this is going to depend on the height you want to cut. So basically what you're going to do is you'll roll this down, and you can get it started before you pick it up, make it a little bit easier. You'll bring it down, and then like I said, depending on the height you want, is you'll take this 1/2-inch bolt and put it through the desired hole. Then your last thing you want to do is you'll come to your drive shaft hookup. On the mower, it has a quick access guide to be able to tighten down your bolt to hold it onto the gear case. And then on your PTO, it has these rivets, and I'll show you on the drive shaft what that's for. Coming over to the drive shaft, on the tractor PTO side, we have a slide collar yoke. Basically what it does is you pull back on here and it exposes ball bearings. That rivet in the PTO I showed you, the ball bearings sit in that, and this clicks back into place. On the other side, on the gearbox side, you have a nut with a tapered pin. Now there's only, see how it's tapered? That'll sit in the slot, the same rivets on the gearbox input shaft. There's only one way that can go in. On the nut side, there's a washer that goes with it. So once you connect it, you put that in, tighten your nut down. After you've gotten that tight, you're ready to start mowing. So again, my name's Thomas, I'm with Bushwhacker, and that was the setup at the HD72.